TCL 10L unlocked Android smartphone, 256GB plus 6GB RAM Android phone, 6.53-inch Full HD cell phone, 48 MB quad rear camera system, 4000 mAh Verizon mobile phone. Hi, welcome my friend. Capture the moment like never before with an artificial intelligence quad camera system that integrates auto brightness, super resolution, HDR, and more. There are vibrant pixels in every shot, day or night. Experience 3 times more brightness and capture greater details even in the darkest of the settings. With the TCL 10L Android phone, you can find the beauty in little things. With a macro camera that captures the rich texture and tiny details of all your favorite things. TCL 10L 118 degrees wide-angle camera includes 3.3 times more of the world in a single shot. Gather your friends for a beautiful sunset and take an unforgettable photo or video with everyone in it. Snap a breathtaking landscape and be able to capture the entire beauty around you. With the TCL 10L, you can set up shortcut keys in an instant, get maximum control so you will know exactly what's happening on your screen and what you are touching, making life more convenient and effortless for you. The Smart Key allows you to customize your TCL 10L mobile phone to access any dedicated app or feature with the press of a button. Make your phone as unique as you are. Never worry about your phone getting into the wrong hands again. With the convenience and security of 2 forms of authentication, face, key, and fingerprint sensor, you get the safe and fast access to your cell phone. One simple touch or a glance will bring you straight to your favorite apps or important messages. Optimized power, a 4000 mAh battery and intelligent battery mode optimize power usage to keep you cord-free all day. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.